My God, look how dry are my plants and all the weeds in the lawn. We have to move on quickly and do something beautiful for this summer. We did our garden like 3 years ago, but the weed barrier didn't work. My husband is cleaning our banana plant. The most hard work is to take out all the small rocks because we have different colors. What's the best thing to do? Throw them away. We took out most of the rocks and started putting a thick plastic that the painters used to see if this works better as a weed barrier. We went to Lowe's and purchased this huge cement decor stepping rock, also some white marble chips, and my favorite, the salt and pepper rock. My husband is securing the plastic with nails and covering all the edges. We put the plastic double for a better barrier. We decide to keep some of the salt and pepper rocks and some of the big whites, and of course the big black river rocks. Here, I'm doing a butterfly design in the middle of the 4 stepping cement rocks. That is the balcony chair that we are not going to use anymore, so I decide to use this as a plant stand, but I don't like it there, so out it goes. I make a small trail with river rocks and my husband is filling with white marble rocks. I fill out the butterfly with the white marble rocks. I'm doing another trail in the middle of the space. We're gonna fill all these spaces with salt and pepper rocks. Oh no, it's almost night and we need more rocks. All the big white and beige rocks that you see on the back, we save it from this garden space, as well as the black and brownish rocks. All the different kinds and sizes of rocks that you see here are from Lowe's. And boom! This is done with some flower pots and decorations that I already have. Hope that it works well this time. Don't miss how beautiful it looks at night with all the solar lights.